Atili, hi. Welcome. Thank you for being part of this project. We're very excited to be getting started after some unexpected delays. This little guide will introduce you to Facebook Rooms if you're not yet acquainted with this feature, setting up your keyboards, and offer some tips and tricks to ensure a smooth experience. If you have any problems, please contact the technical lead in your community. In Hopedale, Nancy Barfoot, Makuvik, Kendra Jack, Nain, Mary, Binky, Anderson, and Happy Valley Goose Bay, Michelle LaCour. Facebook Group and Rooms. We will be communicating over Facebook for this project. We have a group called Community Music Literacy in Coastal Labrador that you have hopefully joined by now. If not, just email us for the link. In this group, we will be posting files and links and encouraging all participants to ask questions that our colleagues Anna and Daniel are more than happy to help answer. Facebook Rooms is a new video conferencing feature that we'll be using for the project. To use Facebook Rooms, you will need a device with a camera and microphone. Most laptops, tablets, and smartphones will do. Facebook Rooms. If you're using a computer or a mobile device, at the scheduled time, you will see a link pop up on Facebook alerting you that there is a room open in the Community Music Literacy in Coastal Labrador group that you can join. You can also navigate the CMLCL group and find the link to the room right at the top of the page. If you can't find the room, we will email you a link to it and you should be able to click it and open it. Please note that Facebook Rooms only works in the following browsers: Google Chrome, Opera, and Microsoft Edge, Safari on iPhone and iPad only. Joining a room. The most important buttons are the little camera in the middle and the little microphone to its right. The camera will turn your video on and off, and the microphone will turn your microphone on and off. If you have trouble, the three dots in the top right corner bring you to your settings. Here you can see what has been selected for your camera, microphone, and audio output. Example, headphones or speakers. The little blue mountain there under my picture shows me that my microphone is working. If there's nothing in this box, there's a problem with your microphone that we can work to fix. Troubleshooting on a computer. If you're having trouble with your microphone or camera, try closing out of any programs that might be using them, like Zoom, Skype, or FaceTime. You might see a pop-up that says, Facebook.com would like to access your microphone and camera. Make sure you click Allow. You may have accidentally told your browser to never access your microphone and camera, which your technical lead will be able to help you with. The settings for this will be found in your browser preferences under Privacy and/or Security settings. If these tricks don't work, try closing your browser, disconnecting and reconnecting the internet, and restarting your computer. Facebook Rooms on a mobile device. If you're using a mobile device like a smartphone or a tablet, your experience will look a little different, but it will function pretty much the same. It looks like everyone using mobile devices are Apple users, but if you are an Android user and have any issues, just get in touch with your technical lead and we'll help you from there. You can use Safari to access Facebook, or you can download Messenger from the App Store. Apple and Facebook tend to get along really well, but if you do run into issues, check the App Store under Updates and make sure that you're running the most recent version of Safari and Messenger. Chatting in Facebook rooms. Sometimes during lessons, we will use the chat feature in Facebook rooms to send links and materials. The chat works one of two ways, either inside the Facebook room itself or as a normal group chat on Messenger, either in your browser or it will pop up in the app on your phone if you have it installed. We wish that the chat always popped up inside the room, but unfortunately, it doesn't always work, and we don't know why. Chatting in Facebook rooms. If you see this icon when you're in the Facebook room, that's great. That means the chat will work inside the room. If you don't see this icon, it means that you will have to chat with the group in Messenger, either by using the app on your phone or by chatting on Facebook.com like you would with anybody else. Tips for the best experience. Use headphones or earbuds. This will make it easier for you to hear and easier for everyone to hear you. Not necessary, just recommended. Mute your microphone when you're not speaking. This will help everyone to clearly hear the instructor. Set your computer or mobile device on a stable surface, like a kitchen table. This will help keep your video stable, which uses up less internet bandwidth and results in a smoother connection. Set up your keyboard so that you can see the screen of your computer easily. If you're on a mobile device, you can use the keyboard's music rest to place your phone or tablet on. This will make it easier when we're all playing together from a piece of music. Setting up your keyboard. If you received an Alesis keyboard from this project, please follow these steps to set up your keyboard. If you are using a different keyboard and encounter any issues, just let us know and we will help. The box with your keyboard includes the instrument, a music rest, a power cable, a sustain pedal, and some documentation. You have also been given a USB cable that will allow your keyboard to communicate with your computer. The first few pages of the user guide that comes with your keyboard has some very useful information in it, explaining how to set up your keyboard and what the different settings do. The most important thing right now is that you're able to plug your keyboard into an outlet, hit the power button, and turn the volume up. You should be able to make some noise right away. Next, plug the sustain pedal into the port on the back of the instrument labeled sustain. If you would like to use headphones, there is a port on the back labeled phones, but you will need an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch adapter. Important. If your keyboard isn't making sound, check and see if the sustain pedal is accidentally plugged into the phones port. If anything is plugged into phones, the speakers won't work. A request from the team. Could you please send the serial number of your keyboard for our records? The serial number can be found on your user manual underneath the barcode, beginning with 21. You can type it out in an email or take a photo and send that along, whatever is easiest for you. Thank you. Nakumik. Optional. Register your keyboard. If you'd like to take advantage of some of the software programs available from Alesis, you can register your keyboard online. There should be a card in the box with your keyboard that reads, "Download your included software." Follow the instructions on this card by going to alesis.com/software download and creating a user profile. Once you log on, click Register a Product, then select Concert from the drop-down menu. The serial number can be found on your user manual underneath the barcode, beginning with 21. For the purchase date, enter today's date. Then you will be brought to alesis.com/account/products, where you can see a few programs available to you.